What's going on, guys? Mathieu here, and today we're touring a very unique mid-century modern here in the little pockets, and it's made out of cement blocks, and also you have a private access to the river, one of the 18 properly owner blocks that have access to the private levee in the background. Let's get to it. All right, so we are in the little pocket, and particularity of this house, and actually the entire block here, they have a private levee with two gates on either side. 18 residents, 18 homes actually in the area have access to that part, section of the levee. On the back of it, you have a mini terrace that overlooks the river. It's actually pretty cool. But this house also has very interesting construction because everything is made of cement block, even the roof. So no AC is required for this house. It's sometimes 100 degrees in Sacramento, and you get a nice cool 80 degrees inside without doing anything else. So we just passed the covered porch and they open up to a nice open concept. Here they set up this first room as a movie room, and the house was built in 1947. The first section is to the left side, and the second section that was added to it is this portion here. So it's going to be your bedroom, two bedroom here and one bath. Your first bedroom. That also, the bedroom has another access from the entrance right here. Your closet right here, and you won't be completely in the look of a mid-century without having this type of tub. Pink one usually is paired with a green tub, but this is a very decent size bathroom. It needs to be probably updated a little bit. You have your second bedroom here. Because it's the wall so thick, you have a little use of cooling in this house and make it very nice and usable even in summertime without any AC. So nice tall ceiling, a very unique design. And we're gonna go outside in a second. I'm gonna finish the inside here. Just past the dining room, we have the little kitchen, a two oven, and a stainless steel countertop here. This house do need a little bit of updating. You have your half bath here. This one is technically another bedroom, but is set up as a little game room for kids here. Across the kitchen again, we're gonna go to the second full bath. So this one is a yellow towel. So we got the pink one on the other side and the yellow next to the master. Single sink vanity. That would be another, probably the largest bedroom of all of them. And again, this is a very cool building. So it's 85 and almost 90 degrees right now outside. And I think if I were at the temperature inside, it would be close to 80 degrees. So let's go to the private courtyard. And it's quite interesting because you have 0.8 of an acre, so most of the house is set forward, and you have the rest of the property to actually get you access to the river on the other side. You have this portion, this garage is set up as a storage room right now, but they have a plan inside that you can convert it into an ADU. And this property can be so much more with this covered area. If you can cover this area and having you for your outdoor kitchen, that would be perfect. Yeah. A lot of trees that are time to grow on here. Quite interesting, very unique property. And then this could be. This is not so much a car garage. I will show you why on the other side, but this is you have your laundry room here. But this, you have a plan to be on an ADU, you can. They've already been approved by the city if you want to do this one. Large gardening area in the back. And even though it looks like a garage, we can't really park because you have the ledge in the front of the door here. So this will be probably your storage or things you can do your arts and everything inside. Very nice backyard. Without even looking at the river portion, you have a very nice backyard. So, and couple step up. Trying to speed up a little bit so you guys can also have a view. So imagine waking up to this every single day, and you have your private terrace. You have a reminiscence of an old boat house. Also, the pillars are still in the water. So technically you can apply for a permit that allow you to rebuild something like this or something very similar. But quite nice to have a view of your river every morning. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of this very unique property here in the Little Pocket. If you have any question about this property or any property currently on the market here in the Little Pocket, Land Park or Sacramento, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone numbers and my email is right here. I hope you enjoyed this video tour and we'll see you in the next time. See ya!